Okay, Thailand. Let's see. On number 1 and number 3, they were pretty much similar. They asked you to find. Oh no, they're not different, or they're not the same. Totally different. This one wanted you to find sine ratio, and sine is opposite, which we know, over hypotenuse, which we know. So there was no need to use the Pythagorean theorem at all to find this side. You don't need to know how long it is. So, opposite over hypotenuse, like that. And then the 4's would reduce down to 1s. So this is a good answer. A little bit better answer would be if you reduce those 4's down to 1s, like that. And then there is a better answer where you, it's called rationalizing the denominator. One of the assignments I added a video on how to do that. That will be important this upcoming week's lessons. What else did I notice? On number on number 5, yeah, so number 5, the problem looked, or the triangle looked like this. Your theta was right there. This was 5. This was 12. Again, not necessarily. It asked you to find tangent ratio. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. This side is clearly the hypotenuse, so there was no need to use Pythagorean theorem at all to find this. It is 13, so good job on finding out how big it is, but you just need that 5 and that 12, so opposite over adjacent. That's it. Let me go back to this one. Let's say that you actually needed to know this side because it's a cosine problem or something like that, or a tangent problem. Let me show you how to do it. Sorry. Alright, here we go. So you got, I'm going to call this A, B, C. Hypotenuse is always a C. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And this is the part where students have trouble, is right there. So you get A squared plus 16 equals, let's see, 4 squared is 16, radical 2 squared is just 2, so this is actually equal to 32. Let me show you why over on the side. So this whole thing is getting squared. So it's as if you got 4, actually you could use the power property of exponents here. So the 4 gets squared and the radical 2 gets squared, like that. Both things. And then that becomes 16, and then square rooting and squaring are opposite, so they cancel each other, and you get 2, and that's how you get 32 out of that. And then you subtract 16 on both sides here, and then you get A squared equals 16, square root both sides. Squaring and square rooting are opposites, they cancel, you get positive or negative, 4. So this side actually ends up being 4. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Sorry.